Alright guys, tires are done. I like them. They look pretty good. Tony did a real good job.
Don't do it at all. Just go buy stickers.
So yeah, thanks to Tony for doing those for me.
It's only been 5 hours.
Yeah, it did take a while. If you like this video, if you want to do this to your car, we all suggest getting stickers. I don't know how well they work, but I'll probably get them for my Honda and see if it works on that. If you like what you saw, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, go share this video, go share one of our other videos. Also go to our page and go watch another video because we got a bunch of videos. Go follow our Twitter and Instagram accounts. They're linked in the description below, and we'll see you on the flip side. Don't forget to